Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting is happening here. We talked about how the Google Chrome browser was sent, it seems, to pretty much everybody on version 137 this week, which means that usually when this happens, everybody else moves to the same version. But something isn't quite right, because this was supposed to be pushed to a very small number of people, and the Google Chrome browser was not supposed to be released on this new version at least before 1 to 2 weeks now. So I don't know what's happening, if somebody made a mistake or some push to have the new version faster. But what it creates as an issue, and this is where we are going, Microsoft Edge add a weekly updates, which usually are for security. But when you look at Microsoft Edge, they didn't move to 137. They moved to 136.0.3240.92. So they're continuing the version 136, which is bizarre. It's the first time ever that I see Edge not moving to the same version as Google Chrome. So something weird this week is happening, that's for sure. So they're not talking about any security updates. They're talking about fixes for some bugs. One of them is that some extensions that bring up a window. Also, some extensions were being paused in the background. Fixes for the Microsoft Defender Application Guard. And there's a fix for some text that were not displayed correctly, or some rendering issues when viewing some PDF files in this version. But for the rest, it doesn't seem to be any security updates, and it still doesn't match a version of Google Chrome, which I guess it will match next week, because I think next week was the first week where 137 was possibly going to be released. At first, the Chrome 137 was to be on June 10th officially, but maybe it's a little faster than they decided. But it's kind of interesting that even the Chrome blog post mentions a small number of people, and when I ask everybody here, everybody's moved to 137. I don't call that a small number of people. So anyways, Edge update for some bugs that are fixed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.